Hello dear friend, welcome back to another video. This is Shafiq and you are watching my YouTube channel Mobile Info RYK. Friend, in this video I tell you about that how you can get new update iOS 15.4 in your iPhone and iPod Touch. First open setting app, click on Journal, tap on software update and check our software update. You can see appear here iOS 15.3.1. How to update it? Go back. Open Safari browser, click on search bar and type here beta profile. You can see here on the top beta profile. Click on it, scroll down. Now you can see here the new latest update iOS 15.4 RC. Click on install profile and click on install anywhere and click on allow. Close. Go back. Open setting again. Click on profile download. Tap on install and tap again on install. Tap on not know and done. Go back. Open journal, software update. Now you can see here our iOS 15.3.1 update on 15.4 RC. You can easily update your iPhone. Thanks for watching.